Alright, managed to get all the frames fitted. Excuse me. So now I'm just gonna put the paneling on. You know, it's funny. Like, this one guy commented in one of my videos, or actually in several of my videos, of how he really he really enjoyed the angle on the camera because it allowed a better view of me working shirtless. You know, which is really funny. I started YouTube to create like an RV channel, and now people just want to see my titties. Maybe I should start an OnlyFans too. But my OnlyFans is me doing this.